Welcome students to the today's session of our subject Design of Machine Element 1. Till now in the previous sessions we have seen the terms machine design, factor of safety, standardization in the design, types of standards, codes, safety factor. So in the today's session we are going to learn about some preferred numbers. Now, the preferred numbers are used to specify the size of the product. The size of the product in general term includes different parameters like power transmitting capacity, load carrying capacity, speed, dimension of the component such as height, length, width, and volume of the product. These parameters are usually expressed numerically. For example, power transmitting capacity in kilowatt or speed 1000 rpm, etc. So let's see the preferred numbers in detail. The French engineer Charles Renard first introduced the preferred numbers in the 19th century. The system is based on the use of geometric progression to develop a set of numbers R5, R10, R20, R40 or R80 series, which increases in steps of 56%, 26%, 12%, 6%, and 3% respectively. Above each series has its own series factors as shown below. For example, R5 series means 10 fifth root of 10, R10 series 10th root of 10 equal to 1.26, R20 series, R40 series 14th root of 10, and R80 series 18th root of 10 is equal to 1.03. So to learn about the R series, we will have an example in the next slide. Let's see that. So we will see an example for the preferred number. This was asked in May 18 for the 6 marks. So the example is a manufacturer is interested to start the business with 5 different models of machines ranging from 7.5 kilowatt to 75 kilowatt, and they are asking specify the power capacity of the 5 models. So in the above example we have given the range, that is minimum power capacity is 7.5 kilowatt, maximum power capacity is 75 kilowatt, and number of models n is equal to 5. So first of all we will find out the step ratio. Now the range of the power capacity is given by R equal to P max upon P minimum, that is 75 upon 7.5 as given in the example. We will get R value as 10. Now the power capacity as per the geometric step ratio will be find out by A equal to R raised to 1 upon n minus 1. So where n is the number of models, which is 5. So the equation becomes 10 raised to 1 upon 5 minus 1. So the A equal to 10 raised to 1 by 4, that is it becomes R4 series. It is a fourth root of 10. So it's a R4 series. And the value of A equal to 1.778. So now we have to find out the power capacities of the 5 models. So it can be found out by using the value of A. So P1 as we know, the minimum power capacity is 7.5 kilowatt. So P1 equal to 7.5 kilowatt. P2 will be found out as A into P1. So next model. So is 1.778 is the value of A into P1 is 7.5. So we will get P2 as 13.33 kilowatt. Similarly, P3 will be A square P1. So again 1.778 square into P1 is 7.5. So we will get the value of P3 is 23.71 kilowatt, or near about 24 kilowatt we can write. P4 can be found out by A cube into P1. So we get the value of P4 1.778 cube into 7.5. So the answer will be of P4 is 42.16 kilowatt. So it's a 42 kilowatt. And last is P5. So P5 is A raised to 4 P1, that is 1.778 raised to 4 into 7.5, and it will be 75 kilowatt. We also know that P5 is maximum capacity, which is given 75 kilowatt. So our answer is correct and matching to the given values. So the power capacities of the models are 7.5 kilowatt, 13 kilowatt, 24 kilowatt, 42 kilowatt, and 75 kilowatt. So with the help of this series, we can find out the different capacities of models as we have seen in this example. We will see some of the examples in the next session also. Thank you.